Here it is, over here. Well, let's give George his side. Here you go, George. Okay, ready? Because he thinks it's so much fun. It's so nice of you to play with him like that, honey. There you go. Oh. Because you're doing it. Because he's laughing at your game. You made a funny Henry. Oh, what color does Henry get next? The blue or the purple? Oh, hand it to him. Hand it to him nicely. There you go. Thanks, George. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ready? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yay! Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Mommy, can you get a book thing?
A book thing? What book thing, honey?
The leisure.
The what, honey?
No, Henry.
You know what book we could do? Ready? Here, you want to put this on?
No,
I'll loop that through. Loop that through. Right through here. And you hold on to it and see if Henry can... Oh! Uh-oh!
Hey, that's nuts.
That's nuts? Uh-oh. Hey, that's not for breakfast.
Oh, that's all.